Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to start our second lecture. Exercise 1.1, question number 2. Which of the following matrices are equal? Which of the following are equal matrices? We have to find the equal matrix. Last time we have learned about the equal matrix. We learned that there are two properties of equal matrix. There are two similarities are in equal matrix. First one is their order is equal, and the second one is their entries are equal. Their corresponding entries are equal. Now we have to see from the first one. Look at their row is 1 and the column is also 1. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 1. See the next one. Number of rows is 1 and the number of columns are 2. The order of this matrix is 1 by 2. Next one. Look at there. It is equal to 5 minus 2. So the number of rows is 1. And 5 minus 2 is also the number of column is 1. 5 minus 2 is a single entry, which means it is equal to 3. So number of rows 1 and the number of columns is also 1. Its order is 1 by 1. See the next one, number of rows, only a single row in this matrix, and the number of columns are 2. First column and second column. Order of this matrix is 1 by 2. See the next one, number of rows are 1 and other one 2. Number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are also 2, 1 and 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. This is F. Number of rows 1, 2 and number of columns in this matrix is 1. See the other one. Number of rows 1 row and this is the second row, and number of column is only 1. 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 3. We can also write this matrix G is equal to 2 and 6. Order of this matrix is 2 by 1. See the next one. Number of rows are first row, second row. Number of columns are also 2. First column and second column. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Third one. Number of rows 1 row and number of columns are, this is the number 3, 1 and number 2. 3 plus 2 is a single entry, which means which is a second column, and we can also write this matrix 3 and 5. So order of this matrix is 1 by 2. See the last one, J is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. We can change this matrix by adding these entries. J is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 plus 4, 6 and 2 plus 0, 2. Number of rows in this matrix, row 1 and row 2. Number of column in this matrix, column 1 and column 2. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Now we have to see the order of these matrix. First see 1 by 1 order. The first one is 1 by 1 order. Next, this one is also 1 by 1 order. We have no other with 1 by 1 order. This matrix have order 2 by 1. So we have two matrices of order 1 by 1 which have single entry 3 and this have also 3. So matrix A is equal to matrix C. These two are equal matrix. Next, see the B matrix which have order 1 by 2. This matrix has also order 1 by 2 and the next one 1 by 2. We have three matrices having order 1 by 2. Look at these matrices. 1 by 2 first entry is 3 and second entry is 5. But in this matrix we have the first entry 5 and next entry 3. So these are not equal because their corresponding entries are not equal. 3 is not equal to 5 and 5 is not equal to 3. So their corresponding entries are not equal. So B is not equal to B. But in case I matrix, first entry is 3 and second entry is 5. So B is equal to matrix I. Next, see the matrix 1 by 2. It is not neither equal to B nor equal to I. So this matrix is not equal to all these matrices. Now next, see E 2 by 2 order. We have matrices 2 by 2 order. This one is also 2 by 2 and this one has also 2 by 2 order. And the third one is J having order 2 by 2. Look at their corresponding entries. First one is 4, 4 and 4. 0, 0 and 0. 6, 6 and 6. 2, 2 and 2. So all these matrices having same entries and same order. So E is equal to H is equal to J. These three matrices are equal to each other. E, H and J are equal to each other. Now let's see F matrix having order 2 by 1. Also matrix G having order 2 by 1. And there is nothing other matrix having order 2 by 1. But their entries are first one is 2 and second one it has also first entry 2, second one is 6 and here also 6. So F matrix is equal to G matrix. There are 3 equalities, 4 equalities. A is equal to C, B is equal to I, E is equal to H and J and F is equal to G. So these are 4 equalities in this whole question. First one A matrix is equal to C, second one B matrix is equal to I, third one E matrix is equal to H and J. These 3 matrices are equal. So E is equal to H, H is equal to J and E is also equal to J. These are 3 equalities in this equality. 3 matrices are equal to each other and the last one is F is equal to G. These matrices have same order and corresponding entries are also same, so these matrices are equal. End of this question. Now let's start the third question and the last one. The last question of this exercise, find the values of A, B, C and D which satisfy the equation. Equation means these 2 matrices are equal. First we have to see their order. If these matrices are equal, they have to confirm that they have same order. First row and second row. They have 2 rows and also in this matrix first row and second row. There are 2 rows in each of this matrix. Next one we have to see their columns, first column and second column. Also here first column and second column. So the number of columns in both matrices are also same. So order of this matrix is 2 by 2 and also this 2 by 2. Order of these matrices are equal, which means now we have to confirm their same entries which are also same. Corresponding entries are also same. First one, a plus c is equal to 0. Second one, a plus 2b is equal to minus 7. Third one, c minus 1 is equal to 3. And the fourth one, 4d minus 6 is equal to 2d. By using these four equations, we have to find the value of a, b, c and d. First, second, third and fourth. First we have to see the third equation, c minus 1 is equal to 3. If 1 add on both sides, c minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1. This one minus 1 cancels, c is equal to 4. So we have find the first value, c is equal to 4. Now we have to use this value in equation number 1. Put value of c in equation 1. First equation, a plus value of c is equal to 4 is equal to 0. So a plus 4, subtracting 4 on both sides, 0 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel out, a is equal to minus 4. So this is the second value. Now we have to use second equation, value of a in second equation. Put value of a in second equation. Value of a is equal to minus 4 plus 2b is equal to minus 7. By adding 4 in both sides, minus 4 plus 2b is equal to minus 7 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 cancel, 2b is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the answer of B. Now for the fourth equation, 4d minus 6 is equal to 2d. Subtracting 2d on both sides, 4d minus 2d minus 6 is equal to 2d minus 2d. These 2d and 2d are cancelled out. 2d minus 6 is equal to 0. By adding 6 on both sides in this equation, 2d minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel out, 2d is equal to 6 and d is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Value of d is equal to 3. By using this equation, we have find all the values. A is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 3 by 2, c is equal to plus 4 and d is equal to 3. So all these values we have find. We can use this equation for the complete verification. We use these values in this equation, which is equal to this matrix.